All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through. Sponsored as always by the deli. Hungry? Stop by the deli. Get yourself a sweet Virginia ham and smoked peppered turkey sandwich on a brioche bun with Swiss cheese and some sriracha mustard. Okay, this is problem 24 from section 3.2. We are given that PY bisects, okay, angle VPZ. So we know that is congruent to that. It says use a paragraph proof to prove that triangle VPY is congruent to triangle ZPY, and this is the information we're given. So we know, here's how a paragraph proof will look for you guys. You guys are literally going to be typing these out on your air test, so this is a good little practice here. By definition of bisect, we know that angle ZPY, is congruent to angle VPY. We can set our expressions 2x plus 7 equals 3x minus 9 equal to each other and solve for x, getting x equals 16. By plugging 16 in for x in the segments PZ and PV, we obtain that PZ equals 0.5 times 8 plus 5. That's half of 8 is 4, which equals 9. We get PV equals hold on, I plugged it in wrong. 0.5 of 16, sorry, is 8, and 8 plus 5 is 13. When we plug x in to the PV equation, we get 16 minus 3. Oops. Which equals 13. By definition of congruence, we now know that PZ is equal to PV. Since PY is congruent to itself, reflexive, we now know enough to prove that triangle VPY is congruent to triangle ZPY by side-angle-side postulate. Now, that is a paragraph proof involving technology. It's not easy. It's kind of annoying. So we won't do a lot in here that way. But you have to be prepared to suck it up when it comes time to take your air test, because this is exactly what it's going to be looking like. You're going to have to use a different manner, in this case a paragraph proof, to utilize the same pieces of information that you do in here on a daily basis, which is use evidence, cite the evidence, use reason, use a logical order to make a natural deduction that you can prove a certain statement. Can I get a boom?